Now, a long time ago, a few wise men once said, all you need is love. I always thought this was a bit simplistic. But the thing about love is that we feel love. We're not taught how to love. It just happens, right? But the thing is, everybody who's part of our lives teaches us what to do with that love. They help us shape love and guide it.
Giles, standing here with you, surrounded by our families and friends, I'm reminded how lucky I am to have a life this good. Throughout the last 15 years, we have weathered many storms together, taking comfort in each other's arms. But more importantly, we have laughed and made many wonderful memories.
Vittoria Romola, in front of this gathering of people who love us, I choose you. I choose to follow you, to embrace you, to believe in you, to see you. Now, I don't accept you as you are. I choose to celebrate the incredible woman you've grown into.
I promise I will share the weight you carry and take away your worries. I promise to be your sanctuary. And I promise to remember that neither one of us is perfect, but strive to remind myself of the ways that we are perfect for each other. But more importantly, I promise to love you always through everything we will face in our lives.
I promise to always be me, so long as you promise to always be you. And above all, I promise to make you smile and laugh every day, at least once, as long as we both live. We will play. And though our hair will turn grey, we will never get old. Your smile, your warmth, your energy, your kindness, you are incredible. You are my best friend, my partner in crime, my biggest challenge, and my greatest reward. I love you, Vitty. I always have, I always will, and you will always know it.
So yeah, I mean, all you need is love, right? And everybody around this table has, in some way, been a part of mine and Vittoria's story. You've helped teach us how to love. And that's amazing. So maybe all you need is love.